My name is Giovanni Salfas. I'm from the United States, and I'm currently studying my master's in digital marketing. Doing my MSc in digital marketing came from the idea of learning content creation and data analysis all in one. By being able to have the opportunity to study both fields and bring them both together, I well equipped myself to become a data-driven marketer. The reason for choosing the UCD Michael Smurfit Graduate Business School was to be able to incorporate myself with other like-minded individuals who are looking for personal development, growth, and even more connections within the business environment was a crucial element for me. My love for the UCD Smurfit School is the location, being able to be in an environment which is so business driven and at the same time such a peaceful, serene environment where students can come here, come together, collaborate, and then at the same time focus in on their goals without the noise of the city life holding themselves back is a really, really impactful factor for myself. After finishing my master's here, I plan to see myself in an international marketing relations role, conducting global communication strategy on a digital landscape. And by doing my master's here, I placed myself in a position to not only have understanding of corporate marketing, but being able to be fully well-versed in the digital marketing sector.